full-blown pog? Or are we still kind of F? Audio's now a problem? Oh, for fuck's sake. Audio is off, as in, like, it's not synced, is what you mean? Okay. Crackling as well? Fuck. My life. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi as well. It's like it's not picking them up. Okay, well, I mean, I replugged the whole thing. Maybe I need to restart everything as well. What the fuck happened to my Wi-Fi for it, man? Oh god, one of them's not happy, I think. Yeah, they both not happy. Both the modems. I don't know, it's not turning on now. Why is this shit so finicky?
Is that for your Wi-Fi or the stream?
Okay, well that one's blue now. I mean, like, I can't connect through my phone onto the Wi-Fi. The stream's apparently on, so that's coming through the Wi-Fi. Audio's kind of fucked. Quicker control to wait. Go to BRB. Yep, okay. We're waiting for a few seconds. And turn that back on. I don't know how it works. Test, test, test. See if the audio is synced to my voice.
Like a couple of seconds.
Yeah. We're trying to fix it as we speak, Shark. Hacker-man's on the job. So hopefully we can figure it out. Start and go. Press on, off button twice.